guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing how to make slime with 2 easy ingredients. And those ingredients are Tide and glue. And you will need a spoon and a bowl. Whatever. A spoon and a bowl. Here's what it turns out like. This is a slime I made before. And there is glitter in it, but that is optional. So you do not have to use it. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, you gotta pour the glue in. I'm sorry for my little sister in the background. She is very crazy on her little bouncy ball. Next, we're going to be adding the Tide. Now, you just gotta mix until the slime becomes, well, you know, slime. You could go on your hands at some point, but then it's not going to be as well because it's going to be sticky, and you don't want that to happen. And if your slime gets too hard, you can also add lotion. Lotion. And if it gets too sticky, you can add a little bit more Tide. For me, right now, it's good. And this slime will turn blue because of the Tide. Depends what Tide you use. You could use like any laundry detergent, but I have Tide, so I'm using Tide. So here is it. You just gotta knead it. Because I need you, I need you, I need you right now. So here it is. See, like your hands will get like a little greasy. It depends when you go in. So we shall put the bowl and spoon aside. We shall put everything aside and start playing with it. See, look, my hands are all greasy. Just gotta keep kneading it. And at one point it will feel hard, but this slime felt hard at first. Then it got to how it is right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye. Make sure to subscribe and like this video in under 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. Bye.